Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Surfshark VPN on your Firestick. I've added a link in the description below where you can try Surfshark for a great price, so feel free to check that out if you want to get started right away. First, on your Firestick home screen, go to the Find option, select Search, and type in Surfshark. You'll see the Surfshark VPN app appear in the list. Click on it, then click on the Surfshark icon under Apps and Games, and select Download. It will only take a few seconds to download and install the app on your Firestick. Once installed, open the Surfshark app, and you'll see options to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password. If you don't, you can use the link in the description to get Surfshark at a discount before logging in. After you log in, the app may ask for permission to set up VPN configurations. Simply click OK to allow it. Now you'll see the Surfshark home screen with a big Connect button. You can press it to connect to the fastest available server immediately. Or you can scroll through the list to choose a specific country if you want to access content from a particular location. Once connected, your IP address will change and your internet traffic will be encrypted, giving you a private, secure connection while streaming on your Firestick. If you want to check that your VPN is working, you can open the Silk browser on your Firestick, go to a site like whatismyipaddress.com, and you'll see that your IP has changed, confirming Surfshark is active. You can also enable features like the kill switch for extra protection and clean web to block ads while browsing. That's it. You now have Surfshark VPN fully installed and working on your Firestick, allowing you to stream with privacy and access geo-restricted content easily. If you want to try Surfshark for yourself, the link is in the description where you can get it at a great price.